One of the main aspects when a company moves towards providing customer-focused solutions is to make sure that you have the right kind of segments, because every segment is rather unique in its needs. So once you've decided to focus on a particular target segment, the next thing you have to identify is where can you as an organization try to help the customer in making sure that their needs are met. And a typical tool that we use here is the customer workflow or the customer journey. A customer journey or a customer workflow is a logical end-to-end set of activities that the customer undergoes, and during this process, your product or solution could feature into that workflow. Now, what can you as an organization do when the customer has this workflow is to identify what are the pain points that the customer has. Now, pain points could include various aspects that are not tied into your simple product, but might necessitate you to actually work with third parties to try and meet the requirements of the customers. So pain points again are needs that the customer has that have to be fulfilled either by you or people that you partner with to help the customer meet their needs. Once you do this, the next thing you have to do is how can we benchmark ourselves with the competition? Where are we better than the competition? And do we actually deliver on the promises we make to the customers? Once you do this, a key thing you have to keep in mind always is to make sure that you have delivered on what the customer wants. Typically, what do customers want? Increased market share, or they want to make sure that the cost of ownership or the total cost of ownership is reduced, or they want to make sure that their customers are satisfied. All these should be in line with what your segment of customers want. So remember, the customer workflow or the customer journey is a tool that can help you identify pain points for the customer and can actually help you create value for the customers.